Oh. What? What is it? That's weird. Why are you acting so weird? I'm talking to you! Hey! Nola! Nola from The Lion King! Nola from The Lion King! What is going on with me? Stay in your seat for Lion King! At the Brule Theater, you got your seats? Tell them what a great performance I just did. Oh yeah! I'm 21 years old. I see you in the elephant graveyard! Of course you did! Of course you did! Show down! Show down on me! Make a fabulous coat out of me! I'm a stuffed animal like Simba. Oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh. I will stay in my seat, Nola. That's what I wanted to hear. And the seats are very soft. You'll easily stay in your seat. I hear thunder and lightning. I'll do good in Finding Neverland too. I was not. Oh, I was. Lie in a nice way, please. Lie in a nice way. Don't worry. You'll stay in your seat. Remain seated. And always clap your hands. And finally, when the show is over, you'll see me and Simba as cubs first. And then you'll see us as adults next. We're still cubs again, you know. Oh. What's with that heart attack, mister? You're fine. You'll remain seated in your seat until the show's over. Remember what my girlfriend said. You'll do fine. You'll stay in your seat. And then when Lion King's over, you'll find your seat. Stay in your seat. And finally, you'll see us in the elephant graveyard and see me plummet my uncle to his death when I saw Timon and Pumbaa. And we're cubs again! Why, how about that? We're stuffed animals in the Dumbo franchise! Can I say the line from Marie? No! Be a good person in Lion King. Be a good person in Lion King. Please empty your mind Oh, it's thundering outside. I promise you'll be rude for Halloween. You'll do good at Walt Disney World. You'll do good in Lion King on December 5th because you already got that expensive ticket. Make it $400, Simba. I'm not paying for that. If you pay $400, that's going to be a lot of change for you. You did good at Beauty and the Beast. All of our Disney villains are dead, you know. Like, you know. Can you think of Disney villains besides the Red Queen, Vandermeer, the Wicked Queen, Captain Hook, Gaston, your great uncle Scar, your I think there's a lot of Disney villains that I don't have to remember, Simba. Shere Khan or something like that? Don't answer that. The Wicked Witch of the West? Don't even talk about the Wicked Witch of the West, Simba. She's also a Disney character too. What you said was correct. She is one, but she's also from the Wizard of Oz. Why just melt her? Or any other villains that I don't have to remember. The Coachman. Oh, that is a lot of Disney villains, Simba. That is a lot of Disney villains. Stinky Pete from Toy Story. Otto from WALL-E. Why would I abuse all those villains, Simba? Simba! Simba! What is happening? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Hey, you'll do good in Lion King, I promise, I promise, I promise! Remember what my girlfriend said. Remain seated in your seat. In case there's emergencies, go to the bathroom. If there is one... Oh, Simba! I think I remain seated in my seat. Hey! What's wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? What is stupid fudging wrong with you? It's raining. It's raining. I'm Simba! Look at my tail! Look at my tail! I said Marie's lying too much. I don't know what to do with you. You remain seated in your seat. Stay in your seat. And you will always do that. You always did it with Beauty and the Beast. Even worse, our Disney villains are destroyed because of this. I'm Simba from The Lion King, like my girlfriend. She's a lioness and I'm a lion. Simba, what are you doing to me? You'll always tell them what a beautiful performance they did. You'll see Timon, you'll see Pumbaa, you'll see Zazu. Ooh. Okay. What is me doing from the future doing? Well, he's remained in his seat. And he still remains seated in his seat. And he saw the program. What is me doing right now? Well, it's intermission. He still remains seated in his seat. Why is he looking at the elephant graveyard like that? He saw my great uncle plummet my father to his death. Oh, so I saw Simba and Nala? Well, you saw them as cubs, because Nala's voice is replaceable. Why did I see Nala and you, Simba, as cubs? That's you from the future is what it is. Oh. And you told them what a great performance they just did. Oh. And you saw... Oh. Okay, what is he doing now? He's... remaining seated in his seat for Finding Neverland 2 at the Pikes Peak Center. And he saw Peter Pan push Captain Hook into the sea. Why would you say this is me from the future? Simba! I remained seated in my seat the whole time? You already did. 'Cause... Wait, what is the other guy doing here? I don't know. You didn't see us fighting, did you? Oh, must be your girlfriend, Nala. Oh, you're making weird thoughts. Are you okay? It's just me from the future. I'm an adult now, Nala. Like you and Simba are. Oh. So, you were wondering if you make me into a fine animatronic version of me. And a fine animatronic versions of Dumbo and Roo. Why just let Dumbo and Pinocchio work for 24 hours a day? Ugh. Oh. He's hugging me, Simba! How is that so nice of you? Look at my tail! Look at my tail! I don't know what to do to myself, Simba! He told them, okay, no, I'll tell them what a great performance they just did at the Brill Theater. And if you want to take my picture of me in a selfie, this is you from the future right now. This is you from the future right now. Oh! Don't worry. You'll remain seated in your seat, Simba said. You'll see Black Panther 2. You'll see Lightyear. You'll see Pinocchio, Aristocats, Bambi, and Snow White. And Finding Neverland. Now do good at all of those shows. Your video is too long, and you gotta stop it right here.